Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Minecraft on PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to head on over to minecraft.net, and then from here we need to go ahead and click onto games. Now inside of games, on the bottom left hand of that little pop-up, click on where it says go to downloads. Then you should be on this page where it says play all Minecraft games with one launcher. Go ahead and click on download for Windows, and now you're going to have a little Microsoft installer downloaded. If you don't see it here, just go to your download section inside of your computer and then click on Minecraft installer. A little pop-up should appear. Go ahead and click onto this. I'm just going to minimize this page and make this a bit easier to see. So welcome to Minecraft. Join one of the biggest communities in gaming and start crafting today. So before installing this version of Minecraft Launcher, be sure you are logged into the Windows Store by clicking the link below. So click here to log into the Microsoft Store. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. So account you've added to this app. So yep, so that's all good there. Now I'm logged into Microsoft Store, which is exactly what we need to do. From here, I'm just going to go ahead and minimize that, and then click on I have read and accept the Microsoft Service license terms, and then click install. Now from here, it's going to go ahead and check your connection, and then it might do a Windows is updating. And now from here, it's going to update, download and install at the same time. So what I'm going to do is just pause this video and get back to you once this is done. If there's any updates in the meantime, I'll get back. Okay, so that was actually quite quick. It took me less than 30 seconds. Now it should say welcome to Minecraft. Installation is done, time to play. So go ahead and click on that let's go button, and a box should appear, the Minecraft launcher. Now we might need to sign in, so use one of my accounts. I'm going to use this one here. That's going to sign me into the game. Alright, so I'm going to verify. Alright, so since I've verified, it should say this, and then go ahead and click on let's go. And now on here, I might check for updates. So as you can see, it's updating my Minecraft launcher, so it's downloading updated files. This is pretty standard, so let that download. Now after that, you should come to this page, and it should say sign in with Microsoft. Now another little box should appear. Go ahead and click on let's go. Now might say something like this. So our accounts in Microsoft Store and Launcher do not match. You are not signing in Microsoft with the account you are currently using the launcher. So I'm just going to say don't warn me. That's all good. So I'm going to go ahead and click on close. Then from here, we can go ahead and play our games inside of here. So on the left hand side, we've got home, we've got Java edition, we've got Bedrock edition and Dungeons, and also Legends. So in order to play, you can go ahead and try Minecraft for free. So you jump into and discover an infinite world that help you create, play with your friends and explore. So you can play a demo on Java edition, also Bedrock. There is no demo on Microsoft Dungeons as far as I'm aware. And now if we go to Legends, it's the same thing. So you can only play demo on Java and Bedrock. If you like it, go ahead and purchase the game and support the developers.